1 for event 2 of the Blizzard Beast League series.
Okay. What gym are you with?
CrossFit Bodale.
Sweet! Okay, between the two cones, because our gym is a little off in length, you will have to go behind that. You can see the beginning of the tape measure. Here, Keegan, if you want to put a piece of tape down between that. Put the tape down between that along the line. Perfect. Okay. Okay, and that is, his hands will be behind the line, behind the cones. All right, coming all the way down. We have a 25-foot tape measure. I'm going to bring you all the way down to the end, 25 feet, bringing it back to 20 feet. Okay, so if you can make a piece of tape, make sure it's long enough on that seam of the mat so your hands go behind it. And just go underneath the tape measure because we're going to then reel it up. Okay, so you want to go ahead and reel that up. Clock's right there. There's the length. Here is his barbell. It is, let me see if I can find the weights. It's so hard to see. Okay, 15-pound Rogue weight, 45-pound barbell. Enough to see that. Another 15-pound Rogue weight. All right, Keegan. So roll that back to where you want it. So as you can see, our gym is a little thin, so we're going to be going behind the tape over there where that little white tape mark is. Hands behind both. We'll be able to get the squat and the camera in. Starting with 10. You ready, Keeks?
Yeah.
Hey, Rob, you want to come to the music up? All right, make it count. Robbie D.
Yeah.
Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Will you turn the music up, babe? 3. Good. 4. 5. Make sure his hands get behind that bar line. 6. Good. 7. 8. 9. Good job. Make sure that chest hits every time. 10. Good. 1, 2, 3. Good, Keegan. 4, 5, 6. You got it, buddy. 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 9. Good job, buddy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice, Keegan. Stay with it, buddy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 8. Good man. 1. Come on, Keeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good man. We're down to 7s. 1. Doing awesome. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Good job, buddy. Here we go. Here we go. You're doing awesome. 1, 2. Good job, buddy. 3, 4, 5. It's gonna get easier. 6, 7. We're down to 6s. Good man. 2. 3. 4. 5. Yeah, Keeks. 6. Come on, buddy, stay with it. 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 1. Got it into that. 2. Come on, Keeks. 3. Come on, buddy. 4. Come on, Keeks. 5. Come on, right to that bar. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, Keegan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good man. 5. Here we go. Come on, Keeks. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. 2. Come on, buddy. Keep it moving. confused. Here you go, Bernie. Come on, come on. Come on, it's only 2, Keegan. Come on. 1, 2. I want you to burpee and run, drop, burpee and run, drop. 1. Run the other side and just drop. Here we go. Get back to that bar. Back to that bar. Come on. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Come on, Keegan. Come on. 1. Get back to that bar. Come on. You have a minute left. Come on. 1. Okay, drop it. Go. This is for everything. Come on. Come on. Move, move, move. All the way to the other end is 1. Come on. 2. Run all the way back. Come on. 3. All the way to the other end. Come on. 30 seconds.
And move fast.
4. All the way to the other end. Come on, Keegan. Come on. Keep moving. 5. All the way to the other end. 6. Come on. Keep moving. 10 seconds. 7. Come on, buddy. Finish it out. Come on. 8, 3, 2, 1. Time.
Give the music down.
Say. Keegan did 10 plus 8.